Today we will see the foundation of group behavior. What is that group? There are two or more individuals interacting independent who have to come together to achieve the particular objectives. Groups differ from the more aggregates of individual because the latter have no independence interaction of the common goal. The groups differ from the organization because the latter involve the systematic efforts and are engaged in the production of goods and services. The teamwork occurs when the groups are able to work efficiently and effectively together to achieve the organizational goals. The classification of groups, the formal groups are those defined by the organization structures with designated work assignments establishing the tasks. The behavior that one should engage in are stipulated by and directed toward the organizational goals, and airline flight crew is an example of a formal group. Informal groups, the airline that or neither formally structured nor organizationally determined the natural formation of the work environment in response to the need of the social contractor. Three employees from different departments who regularly eat a lunch together is an informal groups. Command groups. Command group is dictated by the formal organization. The organization chart determines the command group. The command compose a direct reports of the given managers. Task groups. The organizationally determined the represents those working together to complete the job task. The task group is the boundaries are not limited to its intermediate and superior. It can be cross command relationship. For instance, if a college student is accused of a campus crime, it may be require the communication and coordination among the dean academic affairs and dean of the students registers, director and the sector of the student advisor. All command group is the task groups, but the reverse need not be true. An interest group, the people who affiliate to attain the specific objective with which each is concerned. The employee who band together to have their vacation schedules offered. Then friendship of the groups often develop because of individual members have one or more common characteristics. The social alliances of the frequently extended outside of the work situation can be based on the similar age of the ethnic heritage. Why the people join in groups? There are various reasons why the people join in groups. All groups have their benefits to be offered to the group members. The reasons are as follows: the proximity, interaction, and influences. One of the most common reasons why the people join in the group is because they work near to each other. Informal group seems to form among those who are close proximity. When the people have a frequent interaction or contact with one another, there is a likelihood and that they will be form a group. Finally, the behavior of one individual influences that of the others. They are likely to be from a group. Security. The probably the strongest reason to join the group is the need of the security. By joining the group, we can reduce our insecurity. We feel stronger new or experienced. No employee like to stay alone, and we derive the reassurance from the interacting with others, being the part of the group. Esteem. An individual can increase his self-esteem through the group membership. One may gain the esteem by becoming the member of the high status groups, and associating with high status people is reinforcing. Power membership. The membership of the groups of power to members to at least two ways. First, there are saying such as united we stand, divided we fall. There is a strength of the number. Secondly, leadership of an informal group enables to an individuals to use the power of over the group of members, even if he does not enjoy the formal positions of the authority in the organization. Group structure. Group structure is a pattern relations among the members that hold the group together and help to achieve the assigned goals. The structures can be described in the variety of the ways. Among the more common consideration are group size, group rules, group norms, group cohesiveness, and group think, group dynamic. Group size. Group size can be vary from the two people, very large number of the people. Small groups of the two to 10 are thought to be more effective because each number has a sample opportunity to participate and become actively involved in the group. Large groups may be waste time by deciding on process on and trying to decide who should participate next. In other words, the group of the six members has a twice as many opportunity for interaction and participation of the group of three peoples behind the 10 to 12 members. Increasing the size of the group result decrease the satisfaction. Group roles. The formal, informal groups, the rules are usually predetermined and assign the numbers. Each role will have the specific responsibility and duties. There are, however, the emergent rules to develop naturally needs of the group. Classification of groups, work rules, maintenance rules, blocking rules. Work rules is task oriented activities that involves the accomplishing the groups of the goals. They involve a variety of the specific rules such as initiator and informer, clarifier, summarizer, and really tester. The initiator defines the problems, propose the action of the suggest the products. The maintenance rule. The maintenance rules are the social, emotional activities to help the members to maintain the involvement in the group and raise their personal commitment of the group. The maintenance rules are harmonizer, that is, will reduce the tension in the group, recognize differences, and explore the opportunities. Gatekeepers often keep the communications, the channels open and make the suggestions and that encourage the participation. Consciousness testers will ask if the group is needing the decisions and test the possible conclusions. Encourages are friendly, warm, and responsive to other group members. The compromiser to modifying the decisions, offering the company compromises, and admitting the errors. Blocking rules. Blocking rules are activities that disrupt the group. They take the form of dominating the discussions, verbally attacking the other group members, to distracting the group with individual information, unnecessary the humor. The group norms, the norms define the acceptable standard and boundaries of acceptable, unacceptable behavior shared by the group members. They are typically created in order to facilitate the group survival, make the behavior more predictable, provide the embarrassing situations, and express the values of the group. Each group will be create its own norms that might determine from the work performance to address the making the commands in the meeting. The group of exact pressure on members to force them to conform the groups and standards and at times not perform the higher levels. The norms often reflect the level of commitment, motivation, and performance of the group. If the majority of the members do not adhere to the norms, then they will be eventually changed and will be no longer serves as a standard evaluating behavior. Group members who do not conform to the norm will be punished by being executed, ignored, or asked to leave the group. Characteristic of the group norms norms are easily established for the more important issues of concern of group. Norms do not necessarily apply to all members of the group. Some supply only to certain members, usually based on the status on the particular of those members. Norms vary the degree to acceptance by the group members. Some norms are accepted, they endorsed by the virtually all members, the others by only the majority. The norms vary in how much the deviation of the members are permitted in following them. In other words, some norms are very loose and permit the great deal and of leeway in behavior, while the other norms, especially those regarding key groups issues, are much more um, restrictive of members of behavior. Group cohesiveness. Cohesiveness is refers to for the boarding and bonding of group members and their desire to remain the part of the group. Many factors influences about the group is the cohesiveness. Cohesiveness is the work in group as how many positive effects, including the workers' satisfaction and low turnover and absenteeism and higher productivity. Highly cohesive groups mean departmental organizational performance if their goals are misaligned with the organizational goals. Highly cohesive groups also be more mm, vulnerable to groupthink. Groupthink. What is that groupthink? The mode of thinking of people engage in when they are deployed involved in cohesive in group, when the members striving and hun, humanity that override their motivation and realistic apprise the alternative course of action. Groupthink is occurs when the members of the group exert the pressure on the each other to come consciousness and decision making. Groupthink results in careless of judgments, unrealistic appraisal, alternative courses of actions, and lack of reality testings. It refers to uh, deteriorations of mental efficiency, reliability of testings. and normal judgment that results from the in group of pressures. Members of group uh, victimized by the group think tend to friendly and tightly knit. They are eight synonyms of the group think. The greater number of the symptoms are the illusion of invulnerability, create the exercise of optimism, encourages the taking the extreme task, collective rationalizations. The members of the discounts warnings that do not consider the assumptions, beliefs inherent morality. The members believe in rightness of their cause and therefore ignore the ethical and moral consciousness of their decision. The supine views of the outgroups, the negative views of enemy make the effective responses to conflict seem unnecessary. The direct pressure and dissenters, the members are under the pressure not to express the arguments any group of the views. The self censorship, the doubt and deviations from the preserved group of the consciousness are not expressed, and self appointed mind goals that the members protect the group's leader from the information that problematic and to the groups of cohesiveness view of making the decisions. When about the symptoms that exist in the group that is trying to make the decisions, there is a reasonable chance that the group think will happen. The groups are highly cohesive, and when they are under the considerable pressure to make the quality decisions, when the pressure for humanity seems overwhelming, the members of less motivated, realistic, brace the alternative course action available to them. Then these groups, the pressures lead to carelessness of the irrational talking of the since the group experience the group is to fail consider all the alternatives seeks to men to the decisions shaped by the group think have the low probability of achieving the successful outcomes. Group decision making. The group decision making is a type of participatory process in which the multiple individuals and acting collectively analyze the problems of situations, consider to evaluate the alternate the courses of action, select from the among the alternative solutions, and the number of people involved in the group decision making varies greatly, but often ranges from 2 to 7. The individuals in the group may be demographically and similar or quite diverse. In organization, many decisions of consequences are made after from the group, some form of the group decision making. The process is undertaken. However, the groups are not only form the collective work arrangement. The group decision making should be distinguished from the concepts of the teams and the teamwork and self-managed teams. The group decision making techniques, the brainstorming and dialectical inquiry, the nominal group techniques and Delphi techniques. The brainstorming. What is that brainstorming? The brainstorming is the group members verbally suggesting ideas and or alternatives. The brainstorming session is the usually relatively unsaturated. The situation at hand described in as much details as necessary to um, so that the group members have complete understanding of issue the problems. The group leader, facilitator, then socialist ideas from all the members of the group. Usually, the group leader or facilitator will be record the ideas presented on a flip chart or market board. The generation of alternatives stage is clearly mm, differentiated from the alternative evaluation stage, and the group members are not allowed to evaluate the suggestions until all the ideas have been presented. Once the ideas of group members have been executed, the group members then begin the process evaluating utility of the different suggestions presented. The brainstorming is a useful means which generate the alternative but does not offer much in the way of the process of evaluation alternatives or the selection of the proposed course of action. Dialectical inquiry. Dialectical inquiry is the group of the decision making section technique that focuses on ensuring the full concentration of alternatives. Essentially, it involves dividing the group in into opposing the sides, which debates the advantages and disadvantages of proposed solutions of decisions. A similar group decision making is a method of devil advocacy and requires that one member, the group of the highlight potential problems on the proposed decisions. Both of these techniques are designed to try to make the sure that the group of the consider all the possible and of its decision, and the nominal group technique. There is a nominal group technique structured by the decision making process in which the group members are required to compose the comprehensive list of the other their ideas and propose the alternative in writing. The group members are usually record their ideas permanently. Once finished, the each group is to be member is asked in turn to provide on item one item from the list until all the ideas and or alternatives have been publicity and recorded. A flip chart and or market board usually range of the stage. The process verbal exchanges are limited request of the classification. Once all the proposals are listed in that public, the group engages a discussion of listed alternatives, which ends in the some form of the ranking or rating in order to preference. As with the brainstorming, the prohibitions against the criticizing the proposals as the presented is designed to overcome the individuals and rectants to share the ideas. Delphi technique. The Delphi technique is the technique of the group making the process that can be used for the decision making groups. When the individual members in the different physical locations, the technique was developed at the Rand corporations. The individuals in Delphi group are usually selected because of the self specific knowledge or expertise of the problems by the process in the Delphi technique. Each group member is asked independently to provide the ideas to input and the alternative solutions and decisions problems in the successive stages. These inputs may be provide the variety of ways such as email, fax or online and discussion in the room, the electronic bulletin board after the each stage, the process and other group members as per the questions and alternatives or ranked the rated in some fashions after the indefinite member of rounds group of eventually arrive the consciousness and decisions on the best course of the action, the advantages, the input from the larger number of the people eliminates the biases that are generally introduced due to the individual decision making. It also reduces the unreliability of individual decision, the perspective of the style of the decision making is the process of builds up the foundation as the training of grounds for analysis the information and deriving of conclusions. The group of decision making is the more democratic in nature, while the decision while the individual decision making is reserved more autocratic in nature. The democratic is the uh, process process or more easily acceptable and or consistent with democratic ideal and society. This may be promote the sense of the ownership of the decisions, which is likely contribute a greater acceptance of course of action selected and greater commitment that affected the individuals to make the course of the action successful. The disadvantages the process is highly time and consuming in terms of assembling the right group of the group usually makes the more time in reaching the consciousness. Since there are too many opinions to take the into the consideration, the time problem increases with the group size. The group members may be exhibit focus effect. This means that the group may be focused on one few suggested alternatives and spend all the time in evaluating these and may never come up with other ideas. This limiting the choices. The groups may be shift either towards the more risk taking towards the less risk taking. Either the shift may be undesirable. The groups are generally slower arrive the decisions that than the individuals. Sometimes it is difficult to utilize them. The situation decision must be made very quickly that hmm, the majority of the opinion or suppressed alternative courses action are not fully explored. Group polarization, the tendency for the members of a group discussing and issues of the to move toward more extreme version of the positions they held before the discussion began. The respond in more polarizing the ways of than the expected individual of members would. And the group polarization focuses on how the groups are actually make the decisions that are more extreme than the original thoughts and views of the individual than team members. In the if the group of the team members is cautious in nature, then the total group of the decision could be extremely conservative. If the group members have the individual who lean towards the riskier behaviors, then the final group consciousness could be extremely risky choice. The psychologists have three main memories for why this group polarization occurs. The persuasion comparisons of differentiations, but all have much the same cause in any group and they're trying to keep the decisions. There is a likely the initial preference in one particular decisions. Those who don't initially agree the discussions are likely to change the mind to agree the majority the persuasion the people change the mind as the result of rational arguments presented by the others the comparisons of the people change the mind conform with the group's norms especially the norms are socially desirable the differentiation a variation of the comparisons where the people change their mind to fit with the view of the sort of the decision group should be made. The group dynamics deals with the attitudes and behavioral patterns of a group. The group dynamics concern how the groups are formed, the structures with the process are followed in their functioning. Thus, it concerned with interaction and the forces operating between the groups. The group dynamics refers to the forces in operating in the groups. The group dynamics is concerned with the in social situation. The same concept is applicable the informal in nature. The supervisor should understand the group of dynamic forces so as to behavior of individual in the group their influences in the organization the possible effects of managerial action on the group of the individual are able to handle them properly and make them the groups operating with the organization everyone should try to follow the norms of the in the organization. Probability theory there is the most basics explaining the affiliation is the propinquity theory. This is the interesting simply means that the individual affiliate with one another because of the spatial graphical proximity in organization the employees who work in the same area and plant or office or the managers with offices offers close to one another would more probably to form and into groups than would these who are not physically located together. The drawback in this theory is it is not analytical and does not begin to explain some of the complexities. Human theory, according to the George Herman, the more activities persons share, the more numerous will be the interaction and stronger will be the shared activities and sentiments and more sentiments of the people have one another more people share the activities and interactions the relationship as the very comprehensive theory based on the activities interaction of the human theory based on the sentiments three elements are directly related with each other. The members of the activities, interaction, and group share the activities, the interest with one another, and not just because of the physical proximity but also accomplish the group of the goals. The key element, interaction, because which they develop the common sentiment for one another. These sentiments is gradually get expressed through the information of informal groups. If any disturbance is caused to the any other through activities, the interaction and sentiment, it is likely to disturb all others. The balance theory. Another very comprehensive theory is the balance theory of the group of the formation. This theory is proposed by there are new comp of states that the persons are attacked to one another on the basis of the similar attitudes towards commonly relevant object of the goals. The symmetrical balance between the attraction and common attitudes in imbalance occurs. The attempts are made restore if the restore the balance. If the balance cannot be restored, the relationship is dissolves. Then in this individual will interact from the relationship of the group with individual in because of the common attitudes of the values. Once the relationship is formed, the participants strive to maintain the symmetrical balance between the attraction and common attitudes. If the imbalance occurs, an attempt is made to restore the balance. If the balance cannot be restored, the relationship is dissolved. The exchange theory. This theory is based on the reward cost outcomes interaction to be attracted towards the group. The person thinks in terms what he will exchange the interaction with the group members. A minimum positive level of an outcome must be exist in order to attraction affiliation to take place. Reward of the interaction gratify needs, cool cost, and incur anxiety and frustration, embarrassment, and fatigue. In the stages of group development, the group development dynamic process, they are the process of the is the process of given the 5 stages through the which the group pass through. The process includes 5 stages of forming and storming, norming, performing, and adjourning. The forming is the almost every group is an orientation stage. This stage makes marked by the great deals of the caution, confusion, the structures, and the leadership. The former leader exerts a great influence that in uh, stir- structuring and shaping the member expectation. The stage is complete when the members of the group have begun to think themselves in the part of the group. Storming the stage of the characteristics conflict, the uh, confirmations, concern, and criticism and struggles for individual power and influences are common. In the case of the conflict becomes extremely intense. Norming, this is a stage in which close relationship among the members develop. The group of the uh, cohesiveness and the group now assumes to certain identify and camaraderie. Then performing, this is the highest level of the group maturity. This stage is modeled in the term teamwork, the rule of clarity, task accomplishment. The conflict identified and resolved through the group discussions. The members of the groups are aware of the group process extends their own involvement in the group. Adjourning, the stage is recognized in the end of the group. In example, completing every task and group automatically adjoined. The groups are adjoined. Two reasons: the group of completed task. Second one, members are designed to disband the close the group sentimental feeling. The managing conflict in a group. The conflict is the process of a party the perceives that the interests are being opposed adversely affected by the one or the more parties. Conflict may be due to the social factors within a group of within the with a leader as a poor facilitation and poor group norms often shows up the poorly managed meetings. When the meetings are unproductive, the conflict may be arise because of the team members are dissatisfied with the team process, spending and time and evaluating and developing the appropriate norms and helps the deals with this conflict. That conflict may arise from many sources, including the confusion and about the people, the position, the personality differences, legitimate differences of opinion, hidden agendas, poor norms, competitive reward systems, and poorly managed meetings. The problems is determining those source of the identified whether the healthy conflict for the team of symptoms hidden the problems is to be uncovered. The group needs to acknowledge the source of the conflict, work resolving it. However, sometimes conflict only appears to be about the team's work, then really the symptoms of underlying the problems, finding the root cause, the conflict is important. The team should not be waste time dealing with only the symptoms of conflict. Then the source of the conflict healthy. The focus on the task issues. Legitimate the different opinions about the task, differences in values of and perspectives, different expectations about the impact decisions, unhealthy the competitions over the power, rewards and resources, and the conflict between the individuals and group goals, poorly run team meetings, personal um, personal grudge from the past, and faulty communications. Types of the conflicts with an individual and interpersonal conflict, in intergroup conflict, interorganizational conflict, conflict with an individuals. The conflict with an individual is usually the value is related where the rule planning is expected of individual does not conform with the values of benefits and held by the individual. The conflict within an individual is the can also arrange the person choose the person between the two equally desirable alternative. For example, secretary may have the instruction to her boss is not in the office to avoid the unwanted visitor or unwanted telephone cell. The telephone operator may be advised and required to by polite to the customers by her supervisor, who may also complain that she is spending too much of the time with her customer. This will be cause the role of the conflict in her mind. Similarly, the police and police officer may be invited to his brother's wedding when he may find out some guests are using the drugs which are against the law. It may be cause the conflict to the mind, and rule is said play as a brother of the police as the police officer. The interpersonal conflict. The interpersonal conflict involves the conflict of the two or the more between the individuals. Probably the most common is the recognized conflict. This may be involve the conflict between the two managers who are interpersonal conflict. The capital manpower resources, the interpersonal conflicts are often versus the personality classes. The people with widely different characteristics, attitudes are bound to have the views of the aims that are consistent with the views of the aims and of others. For example, some members of a board directors of the school may be want to offer the course of the sex education, while the others may be find the proposal of morally offensive, thus the causing the interpersonal conflict among the members of the board. Two marketing managers may argue as to which the promotional methods of would result the high sales. This conflicts becomes the highlighted when they are based on the upon the opinion rather than the facts. The conflict between the individuals and the groups, as has been the formal groups in the informal groups established in the certain norms of behavior, the operation standards which all the members are expected to adhere. The individual members maybe want to remind the group social needs and but maybe agree with the goals to achieve the such goals. For example, some restaurants all the tips shared equally by all waiters and waitresses. Some particular waiters who may be overly polite and efficient may feel that she deserves more, this causing the conflict between her and this group. Similarly, the group is going on strike. Some reasons, some members of the group may not be agree with these reasons, simply may not be economical and able to afford on the strike, this causing the conflict with the group. Intergroup conflict, an organization interlocking the network groups, departments, sections and work teams. Intergroup is not much the personal nature as they are inherent organizational structures. For example, there is the active continuous conflict between the union and management. Salespeople who depend upon their commission as a reward for their efforts may promise their customers certain quantity of the product and delivery times with the production department may find the impossible to meet, causing conflict between two units. The inter-organized conflict, the conflict also between the organization which are depends upon each other in some way. The conflict may be between the buyer organization and supplier organization, also about the quality and delivery time, raw material and policy issues. Such conflict also between the unions and organization, employees, members, between the government agency regulate the certain organization and organizations are affected by them. The conflict of the solution approaches, the conflict of the solution resolution approaches available to the term vary depending upon the team members' desire to assertive and cooperative, because of the team members have the relationship long-term relationship of the with one another. They should be try to use to collaborate the approach of the conflict whenever possible. And there are several ways of teams can be try to resolve the conflicts, the personalities, their relationships and particular situation. In other words, people conflict can be assertive, um, and try to get more themselves, or the cooperative concerned with how everyone fares widens the aperture of the varies, ignore the issues to denies that there are the problems by not conforming the conflict the team members hope it will go away by itself. Accommodation, the accommodation, some team members may be desired to give give up their position in order to agreeable, and they are being cooperative, but it cost the team the value of their opinion and ideas. The mm, confirmations, the acting suggestively trying to win is one of the way deals with conflict. However, winning can be more important than making the good decision. Compromise, one way which balance the goals of each participant's relations among the teams is everyone gives the title the collaborations. The both of these sides conflict have the important concerns the team needs search for the solutions and satisfying everyone. This requires both cooperativeness and respect of others in the position. The motivation is the set of the forces that causes the people choose the certain behaviors from among the many alternatives open to them. The motive is the impulse cause of the person to act. The motivation is an internal process that makes the person move towards the goal. The motivation is like intelligence can't directly observe. Instead of motivation can only inferred by nothing the person's behavior. The motivation is defined as the incentive that is given by for the inspiration to accomplish something. The motivation can persuade someone think the certain way or drive that move them to do certain thing. Motivation is an effective instrument in the hands of management in inspiring the workplace, and motivation increase the willingness of the workers to work, thus increasing the effectiveness and of the organization. Motivation is the one of the most important factors determining the organizational efficiency. All the organization facilities will go waste in the absence of motivated people to utilize these facilities effectively. Every superior in the organization must motivate the subordinate for the right type of behavior. The performance of human beings in the organization is depends upon the ability in the motivation. The motivation is what drives the persons participate in the organization. Motivated person is generally works the harder, produces the more, and maintain the better attitude than the person who feels unmotivated. For instance, a student who feels he has been treated unfairly by the teachers may feel hmm, impulse, skip the class, ignore the homework assignments, and while the students enjoy the class, may be excited to go each day, look forward the projects. When the workforce of the team participants feels motivated, it may be easier for the organization to reach the goals efficiently. The overall basics of the respective motivations something like this. In other words, you have to certain the needs of wants, and this causes you to do the certain things which satisfy those needs, and this is a change which the needs allowing move to other ones. The motivation is helps to achieve the personal goals. An individual is motivated, he will have the job satisfaction. Motivation will help self-development of individual, and individual would always gain by working with a dynamic team. The motivation is important as a business, as the more motivated employees or more empowered team is, the more teamwork individual employee contribution, the more profitable, successful is the business. During the period of amendments, there will be more adaptability and creativity. The motivation will lead optimistic, challenging attitude of the workplace. The primary motives, secondary motives, general motives. The primary motives are motives that are absolutely essential for the person's satisfying. These are the basic needs of an individual that apply on everybody for a motive to be classified with primary motives and category, that are the certain conditions must be meet. These conditions, these motives should be psychologically based. The motives need not be learned. These are basic foremost motives that drives an individual. The secondary motives, once the primary motives are satisfied, the individual motives moves on one secondary motives. The secondary motives include the motives that are need in a modern developed society. The primary motives is the basic motives on longer issues. The secondary motives is learned then applied the personal and needs and wants. The general motives, are those motives that neither falls in the primary category nor secondary one. The psychologically based, but they must not have to be learned. Not many managers, students pay enough conditions, attentions to general motives. The motivation theories, traditional view of the approach, human relations of the view approach, theory X and Y theory, and Maslow's hierarchy theory, Herberg motivation, then Maxwell's motivations, exploratory theory motivation, integrity theory motivation, and reinforcement theory motivation, ERG theory motivation. The traditional view finds some of its origin. The Buck-Taylor scientific management is the people dislike the work. The people will only work for money. Peoples are not capable for controlling their work or directing themselves. Simple, repetitive talks will produce the best results. The work should be closely supervised and tightly controlled. The extra effort must lead and greater reward. The people will meet the standards if they are closely controlled. Firm but fair supervision is will be respected. The human relations view organizes the in the view of the Mayo, known as the Ashram studies. The series of studies essentially concluded the strongest motivational force behind the employee, the behavior at the work was the preservation of nurturing and social with their colleagues. The people want to be made feel values and important. The people want recognition of their work. People want to control sensibly. The managers must be discuss the plans they may make for the staff. They must be make take any objections on the board. They must be encourage the self-regulations, routine tasks. The In 1960, Douglas MacGregor formulated theory X and theory Y, suggesting two aspects of the human behavior at work. In other words, the two different views of the individuals, one of which is negative as the theory X, and the other one is the positive. This is the theory Y. According to the MC Judger, the perception of the manager, nature, individual based on the various assumptions. Theory X assumption. The theory X managers trust the employee. They think the people need to firm controls and concession threats to get the productive. In theory X, the managers walk into employees' office and the Facebook on the computer screen immediately assume the worst, start making the policies against the computer usage. Thank you.